In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Edge Copilot mode. If you're new to this feature, don't worry. We'll be going through each step carefully, making sure you can follow along without any hiccups. First, let's get started by opening Microsoft Edge on your device. Now that you're in Edge, we want to access the settings, which is surprisingly easy. Go ahead and look to the upper right of your browser window. There, you'll find the menu icon that looks like 3 dots. Once you click on it, you'll see a list of options. From this menu, make your way down to the settings. Once you're in the settings area, you should be able to see an option for the sidebar. Click on that to proceed. Now that you're in the sidebar settings section, you'll notice various toggle options. What we want to do here is turn on the option labeled Show Copilot. This will allow the Copilot feature to become available for use in your browser. When you switch this on, you'll start to see an icon appearing on the Edge browser. This is your Copilot icon, which typically sits conveniently at the top right corner of your Edge browser window. Give it a click. By clicking on the Copilot icon, you are opening up a new realm of assistance that's ready to make your browsing and online tasks a whole lot smoother. Copilot is essentially your virtual assistant within Edge, designed to help you with a variety of tasks. So, how can you make the most of it? Well, a great way to begin is by asking it questions or giving it prompts. Think of Copilot as your browser's personal assistant. You might want to inquire about the weather, find quick facts, or even get help reorganizing your schedule, all without having to leave Edge. Aside from answering questions, Copilot is equipped with a set of actions that can further enhance your browsing experience. These included tasks range from setting reminders to even managing your emails, helping you streamline your day right from your browser. Copilot actions make it easy to perform these tasks without disrupting your workflow. Not only can it make suggestions, but it also adapts and gets smarter the more you use it, delivering personalized assistance based on your preferences. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to start using Edge Copilot mode to make your browsing experience more efficient and enjoyable. I hope you found these steps clear and helpful. Don't forget to explore all the possibilities that Copilot offers, and feel free to share your experiences or any tips you've discovered along the way. Thanks for joining me today, and happy browsing.